Hello everybody, and welcome to FIFA. I'm just going to be opening 5 packs. Alright, first pack. I'm looking from the camera, can I? So wait, I need to put the knife on something. Oh, crap. Oh, that's it. Okay. So first pack. Oh gosh, please, please, please. Is there anything good there? Oh! Yes! Let's save it on club. Let's click on that. This one. Alright, second pack. I'm going to leave the room. Let's go. I'll put some. But how does the guy sell for that much? Storm Club. I have the Storm Club. Storm Club. Storm Club. Quick sell the rest. Open one more pack. Please give me something good. I'll take it. There's no one I need. Yes. We're getting coins. Oh gosh. Fell. Wait. Wait. I'm gonna transfer it really quickly. I'm selling all because all of it's kind of useless. Let's go home. Okay, another pack. I gotta tap really lightly. Now this was a spin pack. Wait, what? Oh, they suck though. Gosh. Get the Store Hitman Club and then I just sell. Last 2 packs. Has Messi light bulb pack. Okay, let's Store Hitman Club. Oh, let's click sell all. Last pack. Can we get a rare? No rares. Let me just sell all. Alright. Okay. So guys, I hope you enjoy this pack opening that I have. If you like, just tell me in the comments. Yes, we like this. And hey, wait. Jesus. Alright. Who's the team of the season? No, dang it, this is the wrong thing. Wait, what the heck? Play. Dang it, not this. Okay, well, again, I hope you enjoyed